it's Nicole with Living Well Properties, and I am out at Life Farms today to check on the Highland Homes build job for my lovely clients. They have bricked and sheetrocked and got windows, so we are going to flip this camera around and get in there and get to looking at it. So let's go. All right. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, y'all. I love the brick that you selected. I love that little overhang above that window. That's going to be so pretty. So, all right, there's lots of sand here. I'm gonna finagle my way through. We'll go through the front door. So exciting. Oh, look how pretty. I love it. Okay. So coming inside, nice. Okay, no texture yet, but they have sheetrocked, which is, you know, look at the difference when there's walls up. Awesome. Here's the office right to the left. That will be double doors. Nice vaulted ceiling. And then coming through, I loved the curved archways. Right here's where you come in from the garage. And that's a little storage closet. Over to the left, we have 2 bedrooms and a bath. So here's a bedroom. Really good. Nice tall ceilings. I love that. And then walk-in closet. And then here's the shared bathroom. So you'll have 1 vanity with 1 sink. And then your shower. And then here's the other secondary bedroom. Again, nice tall ceilings. And a walk-in closet. Okay, then we have 1 more secondary bedroom down this hallway. We also have the laundry room and a powder bath. Nope, a full bath. Full bath. That's right, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. And then right here's the laundry room. So you'll have washer and dryer on that wall, low voltage electrical panel right there where that cardboard is. And then here is the last of the secondary bedrooms. Tall ceilings and another walk-in closet. Awesome. Okay, now into the heart of the home. Oh wow, guys, this is so awesome. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Wow. Okay, so we have a big pantry. That is massive. You can fit so much stuff in there. Fantastic. And then you'll have counters and cabinets all along the walls. And then you'll have your island in the middle with your sink and your dishwasher. Awesome. You'll have a little window seat over there. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. And then here's the living room. Fireplace. This is such a really cool open space. Lots of room in here for furniture and a dining table and everything. That's awesome. Okay, this is the master over here. We've got a little storage closet and then master bedroom with a bayed out window. That's so cool. This looks really good. And the master bath. So we have his and her vanities, or sinks, right? It'll be 1 long vanity. And then you've got your tub, nice soaker tub, and the shower. And then the water closet, linen closet, and master closet. Awesome. This is a big closet. That's awesome. Lots of room. Very cool. And then, of course, we have the backyard and patio. So we'll go look at that real quick. It's super windy outside, so I'm sorry for the noise. We're expecting a storm today. Good old Texas weather always keeps us on our toes. All right, so nice size patio. And then your gas stub for the grill is right there. Very good size patio. This is awesome. and backyard. Very okay, guys, that wraps up the tour for this week. It looks so good. I love, love, love the brick that you chose. What a gorgeous color. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. And then the walls are up. That's so exciting. So we've got texture that'll be coming in really, really soon, and cabinets will be coming in next. Lots to still happen, but I cannot wait to see it all continue to come together. You know how to reach me if you have any questions. For you guys that are tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole Roan. I work with Living Well Properties, and I would love to be able to help you on your new construction home. So please give me a call, text, or email, and I look forward to hearing from y'all. Take care, and God bless. Bye.